Struggling with computer issues in Estero, Florida? We've got you covered with reliable and affordable tech support for both homes and offices. Our services are tailored to fit your budget. Save time and hassle with our convenient service. Our expert technicians will visit your home or office to resolve any tech problems you may have, right on the spot. We offer a wide range of services including computer troubleshooting and repair, software installation and updates, virus removal and prevention, data backup and recovery, and even remote tech support. Need quick help? Our remote tech support service can fix your issues without the need for an on-site visit, providing fast and efficient solutions. Choose us for our affordable pricing, expert technicians, and fast, reliable service. We offer convenient home and office visits to ensure your tech problems are solved efficiently. We are proud to serve Estero residents and businesses with top-notch tech support services. Trust our local experts to handle your tech needs. Call us today at 239-387-1900 to book your appointment. We work around your schedule to provide the most convenient service possible. Don't let tech issues slow you down. Contact us for fast, affordable tech support in Estero. Call 239-387-1900 now.